My professional journey truly began after I joined SPJ EMBA program in Dubai in 2004 as part of its very first batch. At that time, I was working in a corporate finance in an MNC, but I often say that in mindset, I was still a working housewife. I was sincere, I was hardworking, but not yet professionally evolved. The EMBA exposed me to a much larger way of thinking. It taught me about leadership, operational excellence, strategy, and so on. That experience completely changed the way I thought about work and about myself. I moved into the role of head of operations and finance in Dubai. Later on, I moved to Canada, completed my CMA certification there, and I have to say that I was able to fast track a 3-year course in 2 years thanks to the global recognition of SPJ and EMBA. And so I completed my CMA certification there and worked with the Ontario provincial government as a senior financial analyst. But perhaps the biggest transformation came in 2018 when I became an entrepreneur in the embedded electronics and manufacturing space in India. I often say I was a reluctant entrepreneur because my entire background had been in finance and management accounting till then. The last 2 decades have been a journey of evolution from MNCs to government to manufacturing, from Dubai to Toronto to Mumbai, from accounting to leadership. And interestingly, while I was evolving, India was evolving too. Industries were changing, technology adoption was accelerating, and India was beginning to think much more seriously about manufacturing, innovation, and self-reliance. Geopolitics tensions, supply chain disruption, rising costs, and changing trade dynamics are pushing countries to rethink about manufacturing dependence, especially on China. This is creating a strong opportunity for India. Technologically, AI is rapidly changing manufacturing and industrial operations. Businesses today are looking for smarter solutions that improve efficiency, transparency, and faster decision making. Another major shift is the growing focus on ESG, sustainability, and compliance. Industries are increasingly expected to become more accountable and data driven. At KVR Technologies, this has opened up important areas for us in industrial monitoring, APY systems, and intelligent manufacturing solutions. I believe India is entering a very significant phase of industrial and technological growth, and companies that align with this transformation will have tremendous opportunities. Someone who bridges the gap between technology and operations. Today, many organizations invest in technology, and one of the biggest gaps in industry is actually the gap between technology adoption and human behavior. My own journey across finance, operations, manufacturing, and industrial technology helps me look at the problems from both a business and operational perspective. At KVR Technologies, we are moving from being just a product company to becoming a solutions company, combining embedded electronics, software monitoring systems, and operational excellence. I believe MSMEs need practical technology, not overly complicated systems. So my role is really to simplify technology for industry and help businesses move towards smarter operations. At this stage of my journey, my biggest focus is understanding the interaction of AI in manufacturing and human behavior. Technology is advancing very fast, but I believe one of the biggest challenges in industry today is helping people adapt to that change. So I'm spending a lot of time understanding AI-driven manufacturing systems, industrial analytics, and smarter decision-making for MSMEs. At the same time, I'm also evolving as a leader. Earlier, my focus was more execution-driven. Today, I think much more about strategy, scalability, culture, and building systems that can function beyond individuals. I think we spend a lot of time overthinking, wondering if the timing is right, whether we are ready, or whether we are capable enough. Sometimes you simply have to take the leap. When I joined the EMBA program, I was not thinking about entrepreneurship or leadership at this scale. But one learning experience opened the path to another. Learning and evolving never really stop. And the one thing I have understood over the years is this: business is about making profits, but entrepreneurship is about the passion to make a difference. I think the EMBA helps bringing the two together.